The IT Institute is intended to expose students to the information technology field at an early stage and help them understand what the IT fields are really going to look like out in the real world.
Technology is such a diverse field. There are so many different paths in technology. And so through the IT Institute, I think students will be able to identify what they want to do.
They'll be ready at an early age to be able to decide what kind of field they want to go to and be prepared early on for the path that they want to take.
Exposing students at this age is really the time when they can make these very important decisions. And I think that they'll just be able to compete so much better out in the real world.
I think it's real important for the students to start networking with the actual professionals out in the field so that they can understand who is out there and make those connections. So when they're ready to get into the workforce, they're able to apply for those jobs and hopefully get those jobs.
Working with mentors such as myself and a company like mine, they can actually come into the office, they can see different people doing the different types of jobs. Do they want to go into cybersecurity or telemedicine or gaming or programming? And I think we can help them establish a vision for themselves.
It gives them more of an opportunity to decide what they're going to do with their futures, and they probably will be more likely to stay in college and finish their college courses and actually graduate by knowing what they're going to do early on.
I think what they'll be getting out of this is that they'll be able to find their life's passion. They'll have a much better idea what direction they want to go. And so it's going to be more than just a class that they're learning. It's something that they will maybe be able to pursue for a lifetime.
We invite you to apply to the PSJ IT Institute.